Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update on my 1000 Day Challenge. This is day number 62. So let's get things started. So from the very clear chart itself, I do see that on the weekly chart itself, we're very clearly that we form a very nice green bullish candlestick, which is a very nice first good sign itself. But bearing in mind, over from here to here, we still have very much of a resistance over here. And when we do break over there, we also have another resistance zone between 34.8k to 36.8k region itself. So these are regions to be extremely cautious about. And I would think that we potentially spend quite some time over here. So even though there's a huge bet saying that by June, something that somebody bet that it will be $1 million, I don't think that is very likely to take place. I do not know what the odds are, even though it considered as 40 to 1. I personally think that is quite literally impossible if you're talking in terms of short-term wise. If you're looking in terms of long-term target of when we can potentially hit $1 million, I still do think that potentially we are looking at the year 2030, which means that we have still approximately 7 years to go. But if you look in terms of return, why there is approximately 30x return, and 30x return over 7 years is definitely a really extremely good return. So yeah, but of course, bearing in mind, I'm not saying that we will potentially hit it in 2030, but we have to see along the years, and let's see how things goes along the way. Adoption could definitely drive some sort of exponential growth, but to hit the 1 million cap itself would potentially have a lot of ups and downs along the way. All right, and yeah, so potentially we have a very clear shift of momentum over here because technically, if you look in terms of the line chart, even though here we form a high, we form a higher high, we form a low, technically form a higher low, but I still consider this as a substructure because it's too near, and the high is not a very clear distinct high. But right now we form a high, a higher high, a low, and a higher low, and then we want this to break above that, which case we did. So this over here can be considered a very clear higher low. So in which case we have definitely got a shift of momentum itself. So right now I'm definitely shifted towards the bullish momentum side of things, and I'm looking for potential retracement and pullback, potentially towards this 25k or 25.5k region itself. If we do see very strong support over there, especially on the daily chart itself, I'll be very keen to enter a very clear position sizing, both in terms of trading and also long-term position hold on it as well. All right, with that said, I've come to the end of the day. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.